This pranayama technique is very beneficial if you're snoring. Like myself, you have to be familiar with the Ujjayi Pranayama technique, but a little bit harder. So be careful in the beginning. If you practice it too strong, lots of mucus will come out and you can get a sore throat. So you inhale, Ujjayi breath, the strong version, into the belly, up to the chest, 3-step yogic breathing. Then you pinch your nose, activate Jalandhara Bandha, the chin goes towards the chest, doesn't need to touch fully, just slightly. Then you hold the breath for 10 seconds, then you open the left nostril and you exhale through the left nostril. Because this is cooling, this is Chandra, the moon. So first you created the heat, open up, and then you cool down the breath. You want to calm down the nervous system. You also want to sleep afterwards, so it's not helpful if you exhale through the right nostril. So I show you 1-2 breaths. You can pinch it, you don't need to pinch it. After 10 seconds, exhale. Start off with 5 breaths and work yourself up to 10 breaths before you go to bed. Doesn't take you long, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but it's very helpful. And yes, I will do it myself now for 21 days because I can't preach what I don't do myself, right? So yeah, let's practice it for 21 days. It really helps against snoring. It brings you in a state of calmness and peace. Has many benefits, so please check it out. If you want to know more about Ujjayi Pranayama, I have here a guided session already uploaded for you to follow along to learn the art of Ujjayi Pranayama. Thank you for watching. Namaste.